In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your homepage and also your search page with your name on Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so I'd like to go ahead and replace this word Google with my channel name. To do this, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and search for my Doodle extension. Here it is. And from here, go ahead and click on my Doodle Chrome Web Store. And this will take us to this my Doodle Chrome extension. Go ahead and add to Chrome, then add extension, and now it has been added. Now next we need to go ahead and go to our extension. Here it is. Now once it has been added, now you can go to any new page and click on extension here. And now let's click on my Doodle, and here you can either enter text, image, or even clock. I like to go ahead and enter my channel name, so I'll enter like that and make sure this is on. So let's go ahead and show the preview, and look at that, it has been changed to my preferred name. Now if I go ahead and search anything, you can see here it will have a simple. If your name is short, it will be indicated here. However, if it is long, it will be indicated with the first few letters or the first letter of your custom name. So that's how you can customize your Chrome browser with your name. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.